Hello guys, welcome to KNWare Tech channel. Today in this video, we'll learn how to create a first Flutter app and basic idea about Visual Studio Code. Let's see here. First we want to create first Flutter app. Before going to creating Flutter app, first we want to know basic idea about Visual Studio Code. Let's see. Here is this is the Visual Studio Code. Previous video you heard how to install it. Let's see here basic idea. Just see, it is new file. It creates the new file and it will open the open folder, means already created so many projects that will open from here. Later, this is the recent projects. We'll see here recent projects, and this is for this icon for project. When you are creating a project, when you are coding a project, here we will see the file for project, and this is for searching. Searching means you can search any word in your code and replace it from here very easily. This is for git, means we can push the github, we can push the code to github and explore there. We commit from here very easily through terminal. This is for git, and this is for debugging. When you are code writing, we can debug from here. This is for extensions. There are so many extensions like C, C++. It will give suggestions when you are writing code, so you need to install this. We are already installed Flutter extensions and Dart extensions. Let's see here file. Here new file window, it will creates the new file. It creates the new window and it will open the file, and this is open folder. It will open the folders. It opens the recent projects, and it has saving the code, saving the project, and it has auto save. When you are writing code, it is automatically save. When each word we are writing code, it will automatically save the code. So you need to turn on this, and this preferences, settings and more is there on it, that, and close the editor. Here from close the editor and close the folder from here and close the window from here, and we need to exit from Visual Studio Code here. Let's see edit. Undo, redo, you are already know. Cut, copy, paste, find. You can find from here and replace from here, and see selections and no more important. Let's see view command complaint. It is the from creating project from here through command complaint. Search and run from code here and extensions and go, and you can run from here. Start debugging. You can debug the code to your phone from here, and run without debugging means it does not install the app and it will run on your emulator or else your phone. And this is for terminal. It creates the new terminal, means like command prompt in your laptop, like that. You can access from here. You can also create Flutter app through here. You'll learn. And this is the basic idea about Flutter. Basic idea about Visual Studio Code. Let's see how to create first Flutter app. Go to here, view and go to the command prompt. Just type here Flutter. Just type Flutter here and click on the new project and give here your project name, like hello world. Don't give capital letters, give hello underscore app hello app, like that will give, and select the folder where you want to create that folder. I'm creating in desktop one app, and here it's creating the background files like Android setup and more files from creating. When it is creating, you can turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi. It's creating the background files like iOS. There are more background files it will creating the for handling the Android mobile. See here, creating the packages. See, so many packages are creating. Let's wait for 1 minute. Creating the background files for Mac, Linux and more. Go to lib folder. Here is the main dot. Whatever code we are writing, write in this lib folder only. Make it point. Whatever code we are writing, we are writing here only, lib folder only. This is the basic code. Flutter background, Flutter only written this. This is the automatically creating Flutter app, first Flutter app. This is your Flutter project is ready. Connect your device and press F5. Means it will telling to debug your code. Your Flutter project is ready. Wait for some time. Some more packages did not. That's it. Here red marks will gone. And next, your network will so fast. It will so fast will come. I am having slow net, so I am taking so much time. This is the basic app for counter app. When you are pressing one button, and it will increase the number. Let's see what is the output. Just connect your USB cable with your phone. I am connected. Here it is. I am connected my mobile. I am using Dell Connect to show your output. You can see your mobile. That's enough. Let's see. This is my mobile. I am connected my phone. I am using Dell Mobile Connect to show your output. Just see here and go through. Just open the settings. I am just now connected with your USB with your mobile phone, and just go to the settings. You can on the now developer options. Go to the more settings. Go to the about phone. You can whichever model like MI and different models. You can go through the about phone and go through the software version and press the 5 times or 6 times. It will show developer options in first time and turn it on in your mobile. I have already pressed. No need to already a developer. I am already developer, so no need to press this. You can press this so many times. It will show developer options. Later come back. And here is the developer options. You can see in your settings. Go through the developer options and turn on these developer options. It will ask pop-up, just okay. Use the debugging means you can debugging your code to your mobile, so you can turn on this. Okay, you can turn on this. That's it. Come back. You are now a developer in your mobile. Now go through the terminal. Just click on the new terminal. You can run from here. Just type flutter run. Flutter run. It will run your code, or else you can run from here. Run. Start debugging. You can run from here, or else you can run from through terminal. I can run from here. Terminal. Just type flutter run and click enter. It will run. It will take time. Just wait 2 minutes or 3 minutes. For first time it will launching your mobile. Just see here, I am Vivo 1603. When you are first debugging, it will ask in your mobile, it will allow your app debugging allow or deny. You can press allow. I am completed this. This is the output for this code. This is the basic Flutter app. I am completed, no errors. There is no problems from here. You have any problems in your code, just here will come, and it will come debug console. What is the problem? And you can run from here terminal. You can handle from here terminal. I am built it APK in my mobile. Just see, here is the output for this. You can press this button. You can increasing. Just press it. You can increasing the number. This is the counter app. When you have pushed this button, you can increase the number. You can see so many numbers will come. How many times you are pressing this button, it will increase. This is the basic app. It is already created by the Flutter. Means it will collect all the packages for Android and so many packages. It will basic app. So now completed the for first Flutter creating app. This is my Flutter app. See here in my mobile. I am completed the first Flutter app in my mobile. Just see here. This is my Flutter app. In next video we can learn how to write code, Dart language, and see in your next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.